Hey everyone, today I want to share with you how to enable auto-suggestion for Tailwind in VS Code. So you maybe after installation Tailwind for your project, you can add class name, but you don't see auto-suggestion here. So like you see, no suggestion. To fix this problem, go to extension in VS Code here, find extension called Tailwind CSS IntelliSense, this exactly, install and enable. After this, restart VS Code and remove class name to VS Code restart index for this element, type class name. And like you see, we have auto suggestion. We can type flex, and this help grow our Tailwind for our application what we built in VS Code. I hope this helpful for you. If you have question, put this question below this video. If you want to some tips and tricks for VS Code or maybe React Native, put this in comments. I will try prepare separate video for topic what you put in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and have notifications, and we will see in the next one.